Hi guys, Darren from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Fluid Art Express with our amazing art family. Today I am just going to have a little bit of fun. I'm going to mess around with a couple of blooms and see how they go. Alrighty, here's some tunes. I'll see you at the end.
Can you hear history calling you, calling me? Written in stone upon tablets that fade away. We will remain. Oh, look what we've done. The wars we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all. I want it all. So long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say it. King, king, king. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one. Written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Come. Oh, look what we've done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but won't go down. I want it all. I want it all. Long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah. Heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king. Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. History's made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight. Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. Histories made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line, with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight. Circle our victims like lions, that tell our stories of battles and glories, the ones that nobody forgets. Yeah, we'll be remembered for this. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds, but just like we promised, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight.
Okie dokie. They are definitely a load of fun. So it's funny that if you do a bloom on a round or an oval or a square, they all look different just by the actual shape of the board that you're doing them on. So that's one to play with. Try different shapes. You'll get all sorts of crazy different results. So I love that one. Alright guys, that is it from me this week. If you've liked this, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. Ding ding. That way you get to see all this fun stuff as I release it. Up next we've got Patty from Letspourwithpattie. Click on her link that I put in the live chat. It'll take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by Venom Fluid Art on Facebook, use the play all list. That way you get to see everybody on the Fluid Art Express one after another and you never get lost. If you've liked this, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. Ding ding. That way you get to see all this fun stuff as I release it. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
It's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds, but just like we promised, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight. Circle of victims like lions. You fear I can smell, your fate I can tell.